In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a restricted LinkedIn account. We all know that having your LinkedIn account restricted can be quite unsettling, especially if you rely on it for networking, job opportunities, or business outreach. These restrictions often occur due to policy violations, unusual activity, or the use of unauthorized automation tools. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of reclaiming access to your account in a clear and straightforward manner. So, you've tried logging into your LinkedIn account only to be greeted with a message saying it's been restricted or temporarily blocked. It's important to stay calm at this point and resist the urge to create a new account, as doing so may complicate the recovery process even further. The first thing you should do is check your email inbox associated with your LinkedIn account. LinkedIn typically sends a message explaining the reason behind the restriction or requesting you to verify your identity. Keep an eye out for links that say Recover Account or Verify Identity and click on them promptly. In some cases, you might be asked to upload a government-issued ID such as a passport or driver's license to confirm your identity. Ensure that the ID you provide is clear, uncropped, and matches the name listed on your LinkedIn profile, as this will expedite the verification process. If you haven't received an email or don't find a clear recovery link, head over to LinkedIn's official help page dedicated to resolving restricted accounts. You can easily access this by visiting www.linkedin.com/help/ask, which will direct you to their support form. Once you arrive at the support form, fill it out carefully with your full name, the email linked to your account, and a short explanation of the issue. A suggested example could be, "My account was restricted without warning, and I believe this was a mistake. I'm requesting a review." If prompted, attach a photo of your ID before you submit the form. After submitting this information, LinkedIn will send you a ticket confirmation, and you should expect to hear back within a few days. Once you successfully recover your account, it's crucial to secure it immediately. Change your password, enable two-step verification, and thoroughly review your account settings and recent login activity to ensure everything is intact and secure. To prevent future account restrictions, avoid using any unauthorized third-party automation or growth tools, as these are often the source of the problem. Always adhere to LinkedIn's community guidelines, and you should be good to go. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. Take care and happy networking.